Well, where's the rain, everyone? It's February 17th, 2022. We haven't had a significant rain event for over a month. I know that on January 14, I was filming that video when the water's high, fish high, and then January 29th, I was filming when the water's low, fish low. Well, here we are like almost 3 weeks after that, and we still haven't had any significant water. So I don't know what's going on. It's very unusual. I've kept journals since 2009, and I don't remember this much of a drought in the middle of the winter. Regardless, once again, I'm fishing really low in this river system. I think the fish are still here. I think they're just staged down in here, but there's a lot of water down here, so it's just kind of hard to tell where they're at. And I don't fish down here very much because we don't have these conditions very often. So I'm gonna see what I can do, obviously.
I think it was further out. Let's try getting it out there a ways more. I hopefully I'm getting right up on this flat rock though. Because there are a lot of boulders on there. Step up here. There we go. That's a little better. It's in the current a little bit more. Oh, there we go. Oh, steelhead. Steelhead. Oh man, I gotta get up on this rock. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's underneath that boulder. Oh, wow. All right. Wants to hang out right by these boulders right here. And I'm just gonna let it. Don't get from those boulders. Don't get in the boulders. Oh, here it comes. It's coming this way. Go down. Bring it to me. Oh, it's coming. Man, look how much line it's peeled out. Oh, it's a dark fish. Unfortunately, my bobber has slid way up. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my goodness. You can't see it, but my bobber is all the way to my rod tip right here. I don't know how I'm going to deal with this. I've got to somehow bite the fish and slide my bobber down. This is a goat rope. I don't know how it did that. I think it kind of pulled it up. Like the fish is like right underneath me. Oh my god, it's a big fish. The problem is my bobber had got pulled up so far. Oh my goodness, look at this fish. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, it's a big native. I don't know how I'm going to get it close enough because of this stupid bobber. I gotta monkey that around a little bit. I'm so careful right here. Oh, now it's gonna go. Oh, that's a great fish. But I can't get it any closer because of this bobber. I'm just gonna let it sit right underneath me. Oh my god, I gotta move this bobber down. Oh my god, what a goat rope. Alright, let's try to get this thing into some backwater so I can land it. It is a huge native steelhead. Oh my goodness. Oh. Let's try to get it. Let's try to get it over here. Let me try to get it in this backwater over here again. Whew. Hope our camera doesn't get screwed up again. God, what a gorgeous steelhead. Look at this thing. Let's see if I can get him in the net. Oh God, that's a beauty. Oh my goodness. That bobber's still up there. Such a ways though. It's hard to get it close enough. I'm having to kind of monkey around with my rod. There we go. I think I can land it right here. Oh jeez. Do that, man. Do that. So close so many times here. Okay, right here. I might be able to get it right here. Oh, it's still too far. That's a missed clip. Oh man. What happened with my stupid bobber? The stupid bobber got moved up way too high. Okay, right here. I could just get it swung this way. Come on. Almost. Oh, it's in the net. Settle in. Yeah, that's a native. Get that. That's a beautiful native. Look at this fish. Okay, it's out. I'm gonna try to set it right. Let's get this fish released. Look at this fish. Look at this thing. Oh my God, look how beautiful that fish is. Oh my God, look at that thing. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that fish is. Whenever you're ready, man. There it goes. Yeah! That's awesome. Look at that bobber, what a goat rope that was. Yeah. All right. Nice. Get some of that sand off there. Yeah, look at this. For whatever reason, my bobber slid like, look at that. That's after I moved it back. So yeah, there we have it. 63 Nightmare Jig. In fact, I could probably still use this one. Let me make sure it's nice and tight, yeah. When I went to flip the bail over, the line kind of caught on the bail, so it didn't close all the way initially. It was kind of flip-flopping around, so I didn't know I even had that fish on for a second. I gotta cut some line off. That was so cool, though. Yes. God, what a gorgeous steelhead. That thing was perfect. Yeah, my line has got all kinds of abrasions on it. Okay, that's probably enough. Okay, probably right in there's enough. Make sure to save that line so it doesn't get lost. Get this retied. Oh, that was cool. What a beautiful fish. You know, at first it looked kind of dark, but once I got it close, it was bright silver. Gorgeous. So another trilene knot, good old trilene knot. Held. For what it's worth, I have not lost one fish on a jig this year. I've lost several with beads, a couple broke off, couple came unpinned. The thing about a jig is when they grab that, it's riding like this. When they grab it, it usually gets them right in the top of the jaw. And they just do not come unpinned. It's so cool.